My first mod to the DEERC H16E. We're taking the body, put it to the side. Let's make sure we take the battery out. Make sure the tab, goes this way. And it's just a little tricky at first to get it out. As you can see, I'm having a little trouble. There we go. It just constantly continues to spin around and around and around. So I want to look at this plug, and I want to make sure I have the right connector over here. And what I do for the first thing is I plug it in. This is my red, the flat. This is my negative, this angle. So this is horizontal, vertical. And I simply take a marker and I go over this whole thing, one side all black. When I'm outside riding, I want to make sure I don't make any mistakes plugging these things in. And that's why I color it. That's my little tidbit to you. What I am going to do is I'm going to just come over here, do the same thing. A little black over here, so this way I can see. And I draw a black line. To me, that's pretty good. Can't make a mistake. Well, this is a Turner G 0.85, and I'm not sure if it's 20 or 25C, but it's just shy of 1000 milliamps with the JST plug. And I got the other end that matches up, and I have this part, and I'm going to simply cut this off, and I'm going to splice this now. I'm going to splice it just pretty much over here. Do the same to the other side. I kind of have a good guess for where they go. I was off by a half a millimeter. Now what I am going to do now is I'm going to simply match up my black and leads like so. And this is the toughest part, putting on heat shrink so this could cover everything. I'm not sure how much I need to put on there, but that should be more than enough on each one. And my problem here will be that every time you put this on to these connectors, they're very difficult to cover this area here, these pins. That's why I do not like Dean's plugs at all. They're a nice plug, but I'm not sure what they're going to do. I got a lot of preparation to do, and I have to put all these on right now. I'm going to use the other end. I'm not going to throw it away. At least I got two ends. This way I can hold it and do my soldering. So I'm all done here. I add just a little bit of electrical tape, and I bring it towards the very, very bottom for my protection, just in case. A little glue never hurts. Red for red, black for black. Plug it on in, ready for a run. This is an 850 3S battery. Over here, you can't put a battery any further than a half an inch for the reason of the servo is going to hit. I am going to see what 3S does if it allows me to wheelie, because 2S is 75% doesn't wheelie, or at 100% at all. I'm happy with that. If I have 3S and it starts to wheelie, I want to tame it down by throttle control. Let's go for a run, put the body on. Oh, I don't like this area right here. I can't get to the on and off switch, but maybe I can do one of these. Turn the transmitter on. press on to the body, and that allows me to get this on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm off. So that is the key here. With the body on, just press it, and it turns on. That is sweet. Give it gas, it goes. If I give it full gas, it wheelies. And that's what I don't want to do, and I'm doing it single-handedly. So I am going to put the camera down and see how far I can go. I also trimmed my steering. Alright, I'm not going to give it full throttle, I'm going to give it some control. I don't love the way it goes to one side, but that's the way it is. I'm going to turn around because I can go further. Let's give it some gas. And that is a lot faster. This angle, here we go. Very easy to lose these pins just like that from the flip over either here, which you're never going to find, and 850 out of juice just like that. As I learned my vehicle, and we are understanding that I wasn't out of juice, I had to shut the vehicle off and reset it, and I was able to run it. And here we are. Turn the transmitter on to the first one, turn the vehicle on, hands away from the wheels, and there it goes. Now I am pretty happy with it on 2S until I can get that steering under control. Then I'll be able to go where I want. So I can wheelie on demand, but control is better than wheeling all the time. I hope this modification of the battery was helpful to somebody out there. These clips, you're just going to go lose them, lose them, lose them. They're not the best clips in the world. And I think I am either going to put little holes in here, a little string, so those clips will always stay on the vehicle. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but that's another mod to come. Enjoy your DEERC H16E from DEERC. Have a great day, everybody.